Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm back in the Price is Pearl Life kitchen. You know what to do. Just keep watching because you already know I'm about to cook up something so good. As always, my ingredient listing and full directions will be placed in the description box below. I'm starting off with 2, because that's all I had on hand, 2 beef sausages. Now, normally I would use Andouille sausage, but I thought since I have these 2, we'll use these for today. So after dicing up my sausage, I'm placing it in my cast iron skillet for about 1 to 2 minutes. So now it's time to blend my seasonings. And a little trick I like to use is removing the lids and placing them in the caps. That way I don't mix up my lids and my caps. Just a little tip. Here are my seasonings of choice for today. Garlic powder, paprika, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Remember, the sausage has salt in it already. I absolutely love cooking for my family and myself. I've been cooking since I was 8 years old. I'm talking about rice, grits, lima beans, collard greens, cornbread, barbecue chicken, fried fish. Yes, I've been cooking a long time, and I still love it till this day. I almost forgot my parsley, so I'm adding it in right now. I'll give everything a thorough stir. Mix those seasonings well. If you're new here, I say don't be a stranger. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Price is Pearl Life. And to all of my returning subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. So into my skillet, I'm using about a tablespoon of olive oil, a heap of minced garlic, and 1 pat of butter. Stir everything together and drop those peppers in. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I removed my peppers, and now I'm adding my shrimp along with about a tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. Next, cut up those cabbage. And now it's time to put everything back together. So in the pan goes my peppers and my cabbage. Add your seasonings and don't be stingy. Remember, we're layering flavor. I'm adding half a cup of low sodium chicken broth. Cover for about 10 minutes on low. Don't burn your cabbage. After 10 minutes, I'm reintroducing my sausage and my shrimp, because it's almost time. Woo! It's almost time to eat. And there you have it, Southern style cabbage with shrimp and sausage. And because this is a special meal, I'm using my grandmother's bowl. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Now, if you enjoyed today's cooking video, then do yourself a favor and head right over to my cooking playlist. It is filled with great, I'm talking great recipes.